As you can see, I have the car going, and I can't get my seat to move. It's not going front, back. Nothing's happening. So first thing you're gonna do is pop that hood. Next, we're gonna pop the front. This is in location 19 in the fuse and relay box. And then you're just gonna pull this. And the diagram here. Our fuse puller right here, so we're gonna remove that. And fuse 19 is right, it's 17, 18, 19, it's right here. It's hard to see, it's that last one closest to the relay. So we're just gonna pull that up, and then we would replace that. And then you'll put your new one back in. And then you're just gonna go back up and you're gonna check that to see if that fixed the issue. And again, our seat is now moving back and forth. And there's the back dropping down and coming up. So if you're having an issue with your power seat, check in the fuse and relay box in the front of the vehicle on a Chevy Malibu. Hopefully this helps. And as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.